tugnaw. Didn't want to go out. It's really cold, but not I work. So yeah, kawasta. I'm heading out, heading to Lucia, the restaurant. I'm gonna shoot at the vault, which is at the bottom ilalong accommodation. Venue. But anyway, let's go. And yeah, it's really cold, and I don't like to go out, and it's cold, and I don't like to go out. Daghanan mag Mercedes diri. Ano duhanan ni kabuk Mercedes? Who are these people? Parking in Mercedes and Marks. Anyway, yeah, padung pagidya ako karon. It's around 3:48 padung as 4, and it's really gloomy and it's cold. It says 15 degrees sa akong car, but it's cold outside. May ngapon ba? Init na yung sun pero tugnaw. It's around 15 degrees. Tugnaw. Drive ko nga rin sa Melbourne, sa Ringwood ka din nakatod ni Laura. But tugnaw ba? Good morning dia. Good morning, good noon dia. It's Tuesday naman dia. So today is a new day. Today is Monday. So muna siya. Kalimut ko siya kung isugod. Pero kanang Monday, I need to do a lot of things kasi kamong karong Friday, we are moving to a new place. I need to pack up all our gears. Mga kanugawon ko. Sub. So sana mo niya. So what I was saying was
at the next traffic lights, turn left.
So what I was saying is that we are moving this coming Friday to a new place, new house, pero 7 units away na siya. And I'm trying to plan things out that way. Once we move, it will be quick and it will be good. I'll start packing things up. So karon kay Monday siya. I just got from Perth yesterday, so wala kay siya gig this week. I have to check
though. At the traffic lights, turn left onto Canterbury Road.
I have to check though kung unsay mga stuff unsay mga schedule, but the thing is most likely this week wala kay ko shoot. It'll be next week pa ang shoot nako. And yeah, it's a good and a bad thing. Lagi akong mapping. It's both good and a bad thing. Good thing is that I can focus on the things that I need to do at home. The bad thing is that kanang may kwarta. Anyway, yeah, either way, I'm just gonna work things out and make sure that ma-focus ko sa pag-pack up sa things. That way, balhin na mo, transition is good. All I have to do now is just check out with the water because I need to move it to a new address. And yeah, that's it. Oh, I have to process the gas also so that I can move it to the new address. But anyway, I'll do that this week, and hopefully we're good. Yeah, weather today is like mura siya cloudy nga cold. So sa because of the sun. So whenever the sun comes out, especially during winter, you know the feeling because it warms up your heart. It gives color to the things around you. Kanang kung winter magod mag-gray usahay, kanang nagkaulan nun niya. Wala colors because there's the sun. But if the sun is there, maka-warm siya sa face and it feels so good. So yeah. Anyway, nag-drive ko ron, bawal pwede mag-vlog drive. So I'm near Bunnings now. Magpalit ko boxes. The thing is, yeah, I'm wearing my cool pajamas, but yeah, who cares? Nice. Pataragis. Nice sun. Now kaayo. Yeah, tay. Nawado. Gapin yung jacket pa niya. Tugnaw gyapon. So, yeah, you know. So at the moment, you already know. So at the moment, nag-ilis ko kanang kasunis, kasunis kanang pants, itong nang kanang kuan nga pajama. It's very cold, it's winter, so inana na siya. And I'm heading to Mount Evelyn. Hindi siya murag yung mga tangalan ni sa lugar Mount Evelyn. It's somewhat of a mount. I'm buying a tripod head, which is very rare because it phase out na. And it's the best tripod head that I can say. So muna siya, ito kadali. And yeah, let's go. It's around 20-minute drive from here, so should be good. unahan sa Montrose, sa Mandin. You have no idea what I'm talking about, but yun na siya. Anyway, it's really cold. It's 14 degrees. It's not kanang tungod lang sa hangin. It's cold kung hangin kay siya, kay musulod man si mong bukog, lapos si mong purol or sa imong karsunis ang katugnaw. But other than that, it's very good weather at the moment. The worst things is kanang ubos na gid siya mga 10, mga 8, mga 1, negative 1. But dili naman mo snow nga rin sa kuan, syudad. Ato nas bungtod mag-snow. So at the moment, grabe king snow karon sa bungtod. But here in the ground, it's fine. Gasolino, 2 billion ko niya. Mahal sa gasolina nga rin mag-fluctuate. Paspas siya mag-fluctuate, but yeah, it's fair enough. Karon 157. And nakakita ko sa news nga ginabombahan na sa Iran ang Israel. So maggira na sana sila. Mahal sa gasolina, mga pisting hinampak, atay. Sometimes nindot siya mag-EV, but the thing is, ang EV, di ko ganahan sa EV kay limited ang range. And di man limited ang range, kanang kung mahurot na iyahang kuryente, you have to charge it, and charging takes time. Unlike ng gasolina, yabura ng gasolina diha, so it's quicker. Maybe the best car for me is a hybrid car. Yeah, that's a good car for me. But I love my Crosstrek, even though di siya hybrid, because ang hybrid sa Crosstrek is not as efficient as the mga Honda o mga Toyota. Kay yung hybrid kutubra sa 40 kilometers per hour, and other than that, work ang hybrid. So hini rin padagat ka na mga aginod ba or naka sa traffic na work ang hybrid. And as you all know, I have suspected ADHD. Nagstorya ko everywhere, here and there. And that's why I want to make a vlog. Because the thing is, ako mga vlog were random, anything that comes in my mind. And it eases my mind also na kanang nakoy masulti mo buhat. Although hindi siya in order, but I don't care. It's my vlog, it's my diary. So yeah, if you appreciate it, if you enjoy listening to my vlogs, thank you so much. If you like my content, most of my content, thank you very much. Leave a like and subscribe. Hindi ko ganang sultiyan na, but maganda na nagsultiyan na kay kanang naman na mo subscribe. Hindi sa kayong feeling nga na mo kanang kuhan sa akong vlog tanaw. Anyway, grabe na. Okay, pahabol kanang I enrolled sa gym. Thing is, kanang akong tuhod problematic, and one time may problema ako likod, but right now I'm better. But I need to go more gym because nindot ko siyang feeling sa gym, and I'm not healthy anymore, and I want to feel healthy. So I've made a playlist about my gym life and what I do in the gym. It's unlisted, so if you can find a link on some of my gym videos, makalusot mo atong makakita mo sa playlist. It's an Easter egg. Oh, it's on my other site. It's on my bisdakvlagger day site. So if you go to my bisdakvlagger site, and if you can search, kung makasunod, makaigo lagid mo kuan mikel niya gym inana, and you can go to the playlist. If you can find that playlist, and you'll see my gym life, where it's very kind of nonsense, and it's kind of putol-putol, and I'm not often in the gym because I feel like I am busy, but I want to be often in the gym. So I'm working on it. Pero if you can find it, that's a good Easter egg.